Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to paste values without using copy paste option. In this table you can see a list of numbers, assuming that this table contains formula values and you want to convert the formula output into a values. Either we can do control C and paste special values, that is the normal method. There is an alternative method even without doing control C paste values. Just select the entire table and mouse over to the corner of the table. You can see four-sided arrow marks. So you just have to select, do a right click and do not release the mouse. Move the table towards right, or you can also replace in the same place. You just have to release it. You can see an additional menu. In this menu you can see copy here as formats only, values only. In this option you can select copy here as a values only. In this way you can paste values from a formula output. So without using normal control C, this will reduce down your few keystrokes. You can save a lot of time by using this shortcut. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much.